Understanding the heat-affected zone in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad phrases. Today, we're going to explore a somewhat technical but incredibly interesting term, heat-affected zone. Whether you're a language learner, an aspiring engineer, or simply curious, understanding this phrase will add a unique term to your vocabulary. So, let's get started and unpack the meaning and use of the heat-affected zone. To truly grasp the concept, let's break down the phrase into two parts: heat-affected and zone. Heat-affected refers to any area or material that has undergone changes due to exposure to high temperatures. Heat can alter the physical, chemical, or metallurgical properties of a material, affecting its strength, hardness, and appearance. Zone simply means a specific area or segment within a larger space or context. When we combine these terms, heat-affected zone, has, specifically refers to the region in a material that has not melted but has experienced changes in its properties due to the heat introduced during processes like welding, cutting, or thermal treatment. Understanding the heat-affected zone is crucial in fields such as manufacturing, welding, and materials engineering. This concept is essential for quality control. Knowing the properties of the has helps engineers ensure that the final product meets the required standards and performs as expected under various conditions. Safety. In critical applications like aerospace, automotive, and construction, the integrity of materials is paramount. Knowledge of the has can prevent failures that could lead to accidents. Innovation. By understanding how heat affects materials, researchers can develop new materials and processes that improve performance and efficiency. To put this into perspective, consider the process of welding two pieces of metal together. The area directly exposed to the welding torch melts and forms the weld. However, the surrounding areas, though not melting, are exposed to high temperatures and undergo significant changes. This surrounding area is the heat-affected zone. The properties of this zone can be vastly different from both the base material and the weld itself, affecting the overall strength and durability of the welded joint. The heat-affected zone is a fascinating concept that shows how heat can transform materials in ways that are crucial for various applications. Whether you're studying engineering, working in a related field, or just love learning new things about the English language and its applications, we hope this video has shed some light on the importance and meaning of the has. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but about understanding the world more deeply through these words. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting topics with you. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.